Hi, my name is Kimmo. Today I wanna share my thoughts and my experience from the camera bags, shoulder bags and the backpacks. I've been photographing over 40 years, so I've had many kinds of bags and backpacks and shoulder bags. And the one bag is not perfect for every situation because sometimes you need to carry more stuff in your back and sometimes smaller bag in your shoulder is better. And the camera bag affects how you use your camera, and because if your cameras are in the backpack like this huge, it's much harder to get the camera from that bag. Or if you are using this kind of smaller, this is not small, but if you are using a shoulder bag, it's easier to reach. The camera is in near you. And second thing, before we go deeper to the bags, is that I bought a new bag, and it's not a camera bag specific to camera use, but I can modify it to use it. If we start from the backpacks, this is my main backpack. It's a Kata branded old second-hand bag. It's got huge volume, and I use this with my telelens if I'm traveling, and I can put almost all my camera gear inside this bag. And second smaller one is this. This is my first camera backpack, and this bag has served very well. And this opens from the back side, from here, and this is not so spacious that one. So that was the reason why I bought that Kata backpack. And like I said, there are sides. Some bags are better with some other things, and backpacks are good if you are walking long distances and if you need a lot of gear with you. When I'm using a backpack, I usually, if I'm shooting, not in transport, but if I am in a photo walk or shooting anyway, I carry my camera in my shoulder, not in the back. So that is one thing. Okay, it's easier to carry heavy gear in your backpack than in your shoulder bag, but still you have one camera hanging on your shoulder. If it's in a bag, you don't get it out when you need it. I'm not gonna film that now. I'm gonna keep moving. So you miss that opportunity with the backpack. And I want to show two shoulder packs. I have lots of shoulder packs, smaller ones than these, but some might recognize this pack. This is pretty good shoulder pack, but this is falling apart. This is a also second hand bag, but there's a hole in there and I cannot fix this easily. And it comes with this inlet. Is it inlet? Maybe. Where you can put your camera and the camera goes it. You can store and you can put it inside. This is more spacious than it looks. This can hold two bodies with a lens attached, but that's about it what it can take. Or it can take one camera and drone and microphone I use when I'm filming and gimbal. This is pretty okay. But then I came with an idea that I want a bag where I can put two bodies and lenses and drone, and I want bag that it doesn't look like a camera bag. I searched and searched. I didn't find a shoulder bag what I wanted. Already ready-made camera bag, shoulder bag. So I came up with this one. And I have a short video from unboxing this bag. We can watch that now. Let's unbox the packet. Let's see what is inside. What kind of bag there are. What kind of bag there is. Some that way. And there it is. It's a Savotta Keikka 30 liters brown. Main section opens from here. Yes. This is quite big bag, but this can carry so much more gear than my last. I will put some inserts inside and then it's camera bag. Now it's not. This is one insert, maybe something like this. I have to figure that out how I'm gonna fill that bag. Now there is this big thing. Here is one smaller compartment from my last camera bag. Here is K1 Mark II. Drone is here, and this small pouch is my gimbal and microphone. Now it's full. I show what I have inside here. I bought this cheap Chinese inlet where I have two camera bodies and my gimbal and microphone pouch goes there, and there is my drone. And I like this setup very much. So this is my current go-to bag. And I have a one bonus bag that I can show. This is handmade by me, and this is for the body and the telelens. It fits right here, and this is handy if you are like I use this especially in springtime when I'm searching for birds from the fields, and I just put my camera here and take this to my car, and it's very handy in that situation. So like I said, one bag is not enough for me at least. So yeah. And I would love to hear what you think about camera bags. I know you many have many years of experience of photographing and transporting your gear. So do you have a backpacks or a shoulder bags or a both? And by the way, if you are new in this channel, my name is Kimmo, and this channel is Adventures of a Common Man. Thank you so much for watching, and we see you in the next one.